In this video, we will learn how to use negations in the past, present, and the future. At the end of this video, you will learn how to say things like was not quiet, is not quiet, and will not be quiet. So if these are expressions that you would want to learn how to say in Japanese language, then this video is for you. What you need to know is that there are two types of adjectives in Japanese language, the ones that end in the hiragana I and the ones that do not end in the hiragana I. When it comes to the first category, happy is a great example. In Japanese, happy would be ureshi, ureshi. As you could see, there is that hiragana I at the end. When it comes to the second category, quiet is a great example. In Japanese, quiet would be shizuka, shizuka. As you could see, there is no hiragana I at the end. So if you want to say was not happy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I, add ku, and add nakatta desu. So it would be ureshiku nakatta desu, ureshiku nakatta desu. If you want to say was not quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add dewa, and add nakatta desu. So it would be shizuka dewa nakatta desu, shizuka dewa nakatta desu. If you want to say is not happy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I again, add ku, and add nai desu. So it would be ureshiku nai desu, ureshiku nai desu. If you want to say is not quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add dewa, and add nai desu. So it would be shizuka dewa nai desu, shizuka dewa nai desu. If you want to say will not be happy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I again, add ku, and add naranai desho. So it would be ureshiku naranai desho, ureshiku naranai desho. If you want to say will not be quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add ni, and add naranai desho. So it would be shizuka ni naranai desho, shizuka ni naranai desho. Excellent. Now that we have the patterns in front of us, let's reinforce them with some examples. As a form of an exercise, I want you to help me fill out this table. In this table, I prepared you a set of vocabulary which we will take the negative form for the present, the past, and the future. The way I want you to approach this part is by you actually coming up with your own answers and only then checking them with me. Just sitting back and listening will not lead you the best results. The best results will come if you actually put in the work and come up with your own answers. So if you feel that you need more time, it's totally fine to pause this video, because above everything, what's most important is that you come up with your own answers. So let's get into it. First question, how do you say heavy in Japanese? In Japanese, it would be omoi, omoi. Now let's see which type of adjective is this. Is there a hiragana I at the end? Is there one? Definitely yes. So how do you say is not heavy? The pattern is in front of you. So it would be omoku nai desu, right? Omoku nai desu. And how do you say was not heavy? It would be omoku nakatta desu, omoku nakatta desu, right? And how do you say will not be heavy? It would be omoku naranai desho, omoku naranai desho, right? Excellent. Let's see the next one. How do you say splendid? In Japanese, you would say rippa, rippa. Now let's see what type of adjective is this. Is there a hiragana I at the end? I see none. So how do you say is not splendid? It would be rippa de wa nai desu, rippa de wa nai desu. And how do you say was not splendid? It would be rippa de wa nakatta desu, rippa de wa nakatta desu, right? And how do you say will not be splendid? It would be rippa ni naranai desho, rippa ni naranai desho. You see, it's not that hard. So let's see the next one. How do you say spicy? In Japanese, it would be karai, karai. What type of adjective is this? Is there a hiragana I at the end? Definitely yes. So how do you say is not spicy? It would be karaku nai desu, karaku nai desu, right? And how do you say was not spicy? It would be 辛くなかったです。辛くなかったです。Right? And how do you say will not be spicy? It would be 辛くならないでしょう。辛くならないでしょう。Right? Great. And let's see the last one. How do you say various? In Japanese, you would say いろいろ。いろいろ。What type of adjective is this? Is there a hiragana I at the end? I see none. So how do you say is not various? It would be いろいろではないです。Right? いろいろではないです。And how do you say was not various? It would be いろいろではなかったです。いろいろではなかったです。Excellent. And how do you say will not be various? It would be いろいろにならないでしょう。いろいろにならないでしょう。You see, it's not that hard. Excellent and congratulations. That makes it the end of this lesson. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you in my next lessons. Keep up with your great work, and I guarantee you will reach your goal. Have a great day.